guess what? We have a recovery. We gotta head out to Noid to pick up a Jeep Cherokee, I think, with a broken ball joint.
Off to get annoyed. Well, that's where we're going. Out on Noid.
Noid, it's an obstacle, a hill out on the Blue Trail. We're not really going to get annoyed. We're going to Noid. You know, the cartoon character that used to be on the Domino's commercials? Although, in climbing the hill, you might get annoyed. Just at the bottom of this hill, or at least the bottom of Noid. I don't know if the Cherokee's broken at the top or the bottom. Oh, looks like that might be it. We're right there.
I think that is it, because that front driver tire does not look normal.
No, it does not.
Second year in a row, baby.
Anyways, what's the story?
Wheel hub assembly.
Well, you did it.
Cute Chicky will tell the real story.
So, we were going up a hill, right? And he told me to send it. So what did I do? I rev murdered it. Full sun or no sun, you know? It's a proud girlfriend moment, honestly. Truly.
Way to go, girl.
Too hard, but he liked it though. A little bit.
There's a double entendre there, and I love it. Well, you can see that there's a little bit of a problem here. We got a tie rod that's holding it, and we got a brake line that's holding it.
It'll get fixed.
Yeah. But other than that, things look pretty good.
You, man. You gave me that right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
You'll get another one.
Yeah. Oh, I get two.
Oh, you get, every time.
You get. Oh, I should do this more often. Yeah, I want the whole windshield covered up.
Yeah, just like the old World War II aces,
yeah.
You know?
Okay, we got to ratchet strap the tires so that we don't lose that.
Back up together and head back to the campground, I think.
Got the trail check.
Yeah.
Good with trail check. That plateau is coming out the entrance as we speak. Thank you.
This one got messed up.
Mitchell, is there another one back there?
There's a big one on the wrecker on one side or the other. I think it's over on the other side.
I thought I threw it on that side. That's all right, I'll get a big one.
Okay, but the tie rod's hanging on.
Right, but this brake line, so yeah, if we gotta get another little one. Another little one. All right, we're gonna try and rock and roll out of the woods here. They want to try and get to the parts store before it closes. Well, we came across a side-by-side with a flat tire, so Toby is going to stay behind and see if we can help him out with a Milwaukee battery-powered air compressor, and we're going to keep going, see if we can get these guys out so they can get to the parts store. get these guys out, and we'll let the Trail Shack know that we'll come back in for them. Go ahead, Blake.
I hit a gas line. I just need a little piece of 3/8 hose, like 4 inches. He's gonna take a little piece of transfer case hose off.
Oh, there you go.
So-
There you go. Perfect.
But anyways,
Okay. All right. Okay, see if we can get this one up this hill. That's a whole lot lighter than that Ford. Well, we got him out of the woods. We'll get him to his campsite. Hopefully he can get to the parts store in time. Sure, that would be great. You guys want to set it down on a log or stump or something? Last year you pulled them out on Friday.
Yeah.
This year you pulled them out on Sunday.
Too good?
That's Howard, thank you.
Should be plenty.
Perfect.
Scary part is Joey ain't back yet. I didn't put back on a check.
We rolled up, driving, and she's doing weird, like, whatever. And she's like, hey, this looks complicated, you want to do it? I'm like, yeah, you got it. I want you to go. Yeah, cool. I get out, look, see, make sure John's up, turn around, wheels are...
10-4.
Hey, you've been driving like this? You not see the wheel?
Well, you said Florida.
Oh, no.
We have a full group going over here just after Quebec.
Hold on.
he's got your sticker.
All right, I'm coming. So I made it on YouTube last year. I did 1 beer. Now I got a 2-year,
All
2
right.
beers.
So yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube again,
All right,
and you get another one of these.
That's what I'm talking about.
My boy Blue. There it is.
Right next to the other one?
There you go. Yep.
That's the goal. I don't need to see if I crash. He's got my back.
So that side-by-side that we passed on that last recovery ended up with the rim is broken. They can't put any air in it. So we're going back in to get that one now. All right, well, in this massive confusion, the side-by-side with the busted rim, they were able to get to my campsite. My campsite, not theirs. But they got some buddies that are still in there, and they're having some problems. Something about a radiator overheating, blew a hose, something, I don't know. And I think a flat tire. So we're going in to get them. Looks like we're having snacks on the run. Beef jerky. We'll continue this confusion of recoveries in the next video. Thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you out in the woods.